All right, I'm gonna unbox this baby monitor for the car. There's 2 of them, so you can use it for 2 kids. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oops. Oh, it comes in a case. That's nice. This comes in a soft case. Very protected with this foam. There's the 2 cameras. There's the monitor itself, the screen, some instructions, and then a bunch of cords. So I'll unwrap this and show what's in each of these. Okay, unwrapped all those things. There's some cords. So the monitor does not have a battery. You have to plug it in with the power cord, and then the cameras themselves have a built-in battery to charge, and you can charge it with those cords that it came with. And then there's things to mount it all. Very impressed with this unboxing. I'll do another video showing how it works.